Here how you make 10K selling AI agents from the comfort of your own home. No kidding, this requires no coding, no selling skill, and no previous experience. Check this out, this is one of my Stripe accounts, $3,000, $2,000, $1,000. And no, this is not a screenshot, guys. Look at this, I'm just reloading the page. Boom, boom, boom. First, I go to ChatGPT and ask it to create an AI code color for me. It's outlined, its role, personality, trait, goal, and tones. We're gonna go ahead and click copy the script. We're gonna head over to our software right here that allow me to put my own logo and my own brand with it. And you can create an AI agent straight from here. We're gonna click create agents and generate an assistant. Just give it a name and a simple description and click generate assistant. Voila, it's done. Now, once we have our assistant, we just copy and paste the prompt that we just got from the ChatGPT. Voila, our AI assistant is ready.
Just a quick question, is your shop open today?
I don't know, who are you?
AI assistant calling to share something pretty cool. Here's the twist, I'm not a human, but I'm offering you the exact AI system that's calling you right now. It helps businesses like yours make calls, book appointments, and grow while you focus on other things. Want to hear how it works?
How much does it cost?
Great question. The cost depends on the size of your business and how many calls you'd want the system to handle. Most businesses find it's way cheaper than hiring someone to do the same work. If you're curious, I can send...
This is too easy, guys. Look, I got nothing to sell you. There's no $1,000 course here. But I did happen to make a free course that will show you how to set up this AI agent in the next 48 hours and profit from it in the next 7 days. Just comment the word AI below and I will send it over.